both have relative proximities to other bigger markets. And I think that's what you look at. I would.
Texas, the Arizona, the Carolinas, the Floridas, get it. Hot, great. You can find markets within them that are great. But is there anywhere else that you're seeing right now that's really starting to trend?
Yeah, a couple that I would throw out there, Huntsville, Alabama is red hot. Colorado Springs is growing incredibly quickly, and Boise. And Boise is kind of a bit of the lone wolf out there. There's not a whole lot close to Boise. I know the tech companies are starting to move to Boise, and it's kind of becoming the Silicon Valley of Idaho. But Colorado Springs and Huntsville both have relative proximities to other bigger markets. And I think that's what you look at. I would throw out a San Marcos in Texas as well, where it's not like, okay, I'm going to go to a far-flung tertiary market. But Colorado Springs on a good day is only an hour and a half from Denver. And the whole I-25 corridor along the Front Range in Colorado is really expanding. The Texas Triangle from Austin down to San Antonio, Houston to Dallas, well, that stretch from Austin to San Antonio is really kind of turning into one metropolis as well, and San Marcos is right in the middle. So a San Marcos, a Colorado Springs, even a Castle Rock, which would be considered part of Denver, you've seen incredible growth recently, because it's like, okay, I can go to Austin, I can go to San Antonio, I'm in good proximity. I could go to Colorado Springs, I could go to Denver, and you're really seeing kind of these offshoots of other markets, of other bigger markets, I should say, where the tertiary markets are really, kind of shooting up.